For weather. We have warm temperatures coming our way, which is great news, especially for those kids who have virtual school and they need to go outside and do some PE. Get the sidewalk chalk ready, the jump ropes, because really this week is looking a lot more like spring with temperatures climbing into the upper 70s. Right now, we're taking a live look out over toward Middle River. Beautiful sunset out there, right? Just dealing with a few clouds out into the air. We should end up seeing the fluctuations of clouds, and that's going to affect our temperatures this week as well. Right now, we're sitting pretty in the Inner Harbor, about 63 degrees. Bel Air, 60, the same number for you in Elkton. And good evening in Stevensville. You're now at 57 degrees. Look at the difference, though, in the last 24 hours, right? A little warmer in Columbia in the Inner Harbor, about 4 to 6 degrees warmer. But check out the eastern shore. Chestertown as well as Stevensville, all the way out over toward Easton, about 8 to 9 degrees warmer. And this is the pattern we are all going to see every day. The temperatures are forecast to peak once we get to about Thursday. When you look at the broad view here of the country, you can see a good chunk of the East Coast is dealing with the warmth, really, but your eyes glue in on this blue, where temperatures in Oklahoma City have dropped 30 degrees in 24 hours, 20 degrees cooler in Chicago. Here's the good news, though. This cold air, it does not move east. As far as Ohio is pretty much as far as it will go, and then it stops. It's all in part due to the fact that we have high pressure and control. You can see that out over toward the corner of your screen. That's going to shift out over toward the Atlantic, and with it has clockwise flow. So it pulls our winds out of the southeast, and it says to this front, move to the north. You are not allowed to come on in, and thus we'll just end up seeing a little bit of morning fog. Temperatures from that southerly component of winds start to warm up, maybe tomorrow just by about 3 to 5 degrees or so, and we'll end up seeing a little bit more cloud coverage tomorrow. Tuesday, more sunshine. So as a result, temperatures are now going to go almost 10 degrees warmer than normal as the winds continue to push that front out of our area. We are not looking at a cold front coming on down until next weekend. Here's your hour-by-hour temperature forecast. Starting you off at about 7 a.m. You're getting ready for work. It's in the 50s. Much different compared to today. If you were up early, it was only in the 30s. Annapolis going for 50 degrees. Bel Air, you're looking at 51. Now let's fast forward to your lunch hour. You'll see the mid 60s for most of us. If we get a little bit more sunshine than clouds, these numbers will go up a little bit. However, if we get more clouds, you might see them come down by about 1 degree. By 5 o'clock, we're looking into the upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. And then remember, we are forecasting more sunshine on Tuesday. So look at these numbers here. By noon, they look predominantly still remain in the mid 60s. Watch the big temperature difference, though. Now for your commute on home, do you have a convertible? You might want to invest in one because temperatures now in the Inner Harbor, 75 degrees. We could see these values here in the mid 70s, and remember, they're forecast to continue to warm as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. By the way, NOAA came out with their expected outlook for winter as far as continuing our La Nina. What that means for us, temperatures for a good chunk of the south spreading all the way to the northeast will be warmer than normal, about a 30% chance that we would see warmer than normal temperatures. So not a dramatic difference. And we're also looking at dealing with seasonal rainfall amounts. So this is going to be good news for us as far as if you like things a little bit on the drier side, and if you do in fact want to travel, maybe out over toward Florida, you'll end up seeing warmer weather as well as drier conditions. Your 7-day forecast, 70 tomorrow, 74 on Tuesday, temperatures peak on Thursday at 78 degrees.